guys, it's Kyla. Today we are going to be making some slime, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm missing an ingredient, and I do not know where it is. Where is it? Found it. Okay. So what you need to make slime is something to put all the stuff in, something to mix with. Today I'm using this. You of course need glue. You can use any glue. I just use glow in the dark glue, but you can use any glue you want. Elmer's I think works the best. I'm gonna put that thing in. And then you can use glitter. You don't have to. You can use paint, glitter. I'm just using glitter, green glitter, and some Tide to activate. You need only Tide works. And contact solution. So let's get started. So first you need your glue. And then you open it and you pour it into your mat that little thing. Put it in. I know there's more. I can feel it. And how much glue you put in is how much slime you're gonna get. So I'm putting in the whole bottle. Yeah. Get out of there. Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna get out. Wait. Okay, that's it. Okay. Guessing that's it. There's more in here. I know I can see it. But none of it wants to come out. So there's how much glue I put in. And now grab glitter or paint, whatever you have. Grab that. Whoa, I'm not opening it like that. So right now I'm just gonna hold on. I just got this glitter, so I didn't open it. So that's why it's not opened. Or you open it from there. I'm just gonna do this. So I'm gonna pour a little in this. Okay, so that's how much glitter I'm gonna put in. Ooh, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Then after you add your glitter, paint, whatever, you're gonna mix. Whoa, I put way too much. Way too much. Okay, see now it's already coming together. I think there was more glue in this. So this was a big bottle. There's like a lot on the edges. Put some water in there. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I guess that's all the glue that's coming out. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Now you're gonna mix it. You're gonna add some Tide. So let's put this all over there. So that's how it is so far. This is how it looks. I'll bring the camera up closer. This is how it looks right now. And this is me. That's the slime. Just gonna mix a little more. I think that is perfect. It looks brown. This is so heavy. Then you're gonna add your Tide. Just put a little bit at a time, because you don't want to add too much. So I'm just adding like a little tiny bit. Like that. I'm just gonna pour like, I'm not even gonna pour all of it in. Pour in like a tiny bit. Oh, perfect. Okay, no more Tide. No more Tide for you. See if this is a fail or a success. It's coming all along. Ice. Okay. It's perfect. It's a little bit watery. But then you're going to add your contact solution. Whoa. That's a lot. Too much, I think. I'm going to go get a bowl so I can like put it in. And I'll be right back. I am back. So if you hear a little TV in the background, my mom is just watching TV. This Tide is going to go in the toilet for now. Hopefully it does not spill. Okay. So I got a bowl. You don't need to do this. Oh. I'm just going to pour the Tide in there. So it's not all watery. Then pour it out. Now, all you do is gonna pour it in your bowl. Wow. Okay, that's good. And now I'm just gonna mix it a little bit, like, okay. Ew, it's so sticky, my God. Ew, I need a towel. Okay, so do not touch the slime. Hopefully you did not already do it. You need a lot of that contact solution. You can knead it if you want. I don't like kneading stuff because my hands get really dirty. Just gonna mix the slime. Need to add as much as possible so it activates. It is working out. That's my slime. Now I'm just gonna mix it in here. I think I need a little bit more. It's glow in the dark, so it should glow in the dark. I don't know if it will or not. It's like brown. I want to add more glitter. It's like brown. That's good. I don't want it to be brown. She got red. Christmas. I don't know why I got green, I just got red. I need a lot of the contact solution. It's still so sticky, I don't understand. Yeah, I'm gonna add more Tide. A little bit more. Cause like it's not activating. Oh, my spoon just literally melted in the slime. Oh my God. Oh, perfect. Whoa. It's heavy. I'm gonna be right back. I need a new spoon. So I'm not gonna pause you guys, I'm just gonna hang tight. Yep. Okay, I'm back. I couldn't find a spoon. I just got a fork instead. So, yep. Okay. I don't know why it's still sticky. It's getting better. Maybe I need to knead it. Probably have to. So sticky. It's so disgusting. Ugh. I feel like I should add more Tide. I feel like I need to knead it, but I don't want to get my hands messy. Ugh. Okay, I'll be back with you guys when this is starting to knead up. Okay, I am back, and that was a total fail. My hands were like filthy, and like look at my bathroom. It's like on there, to everywhere, in the sink, all this stuff. Like, it's a destroy. The towels, like, it's a destroy. You should see my mom's hands. This is what the slime actually turned out of. She got it all off, but it was a total mess. And went outside, and the doorknob came out like that. Yeah. What? Yeah. And then outside, it's all over. It's over there. I'll zoom in. So it's like everywhere. And that guy's like staring at me. And ew, it's on my foot. It's on my hands too a little bit, but I kind of got it off. It's like glitter and stuff. It's like right here and stuff. And my shirt has it all over. Yeah. And this is white, and I'm gonna have to wash it. Yeah, it's on the leaves. Can see that. It's freaking everywhere. Yep. That's the slime, how it turned out. I wish I could have showed you, but me and my mom's hands, they were a total disaster. And guys, I'm sorry, this is how I ended it, but hope to see you guys next time. Like this video, comment what you want me to do next time. So love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.